And it goes a little something like
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. Hey, how are you? And if you've made it here to my channel, welcome to the weird side of YouTube, where you find me. This I don't know what to call myself, but if you're new here on my channel, I do hair videos, makeup videos, crafts, DIYs every now and then, and a little bit of baking, cooking, every little thing I do here. So welcome to my channel. So for today's video, guys, it has been, I want to say, more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks since I've actually done something to my hair, and my hair has been itching for the past 3 weeks. And today, finally today, I decide that I'm going to do another detox with my trusty Bentonite clay mask here and my apple cider vinegar that I bought from the store. So yeah, let's get into it. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're coming back, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the bell so you guys know whenever I upload a new video. I upload every week, every other week. Some days I'm super busy that I can't even post for a week, so be sure to hit the notification bell so you guys know whenever I upload a new video. And let's get started into today's video. So first, I got my little container here. I do not know where the applicator brushes that I have for these. I have no idea where any of them went. I had about 5 of these, and now I'm practically down to 3 or 4, and I don't know where any of the brushes are. So I'm gonna be using a spoon for this. So my hair is thin, so I don't really need a lot, so I'm just gonna be putting, I want to say maybe, oh, maybe I should have used a spoon. Let me try again with the spoon just so I can give an accurate. So this is a teaspoon. I'm gonna do 1, 2, about this much, 3, and let's go with 4 of that. So I'm doing 4 teaspoons of the Bentonite clay, and now I'm gonna be using, this is a one from the last video that I did, but I'm just gonna be winging it. And here's some ASMR for you guys. Oh my god, I'm messing up my dang table. What's this? I'm messing up my table. I'm just gonna get the other one. Okay, I think that's enough. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it too watery. You want it to be like a mask when you're putting it in your hair. This is how my hair is right now from since the last time I did it. My hair has been literally in one, what is this? Oh, this is the clay mask. My hair has literally been in one pony bun for 3 weeks, and it has been itching under there. So today I finally put it apart and detangled it just before I started the video, so it doesn't look all that bad. But yeah, my hair really needed another detox session because it's been since my last video, believe it or not, and I think that was about 2 months ago. My scalp has been itching, my hair follicles is probably filled with dirt and oil, and my hair is super dirty, y'all. When I pull it out, you don't want to see my table. It is full of dirt, build up, everything. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna put this all together and then I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm back and this is how it is looking. A little bit pasty, but it's applicable. This is how I use it. So let's get started. I wonder if I should have sprayed my hair a bit first just to make it a bit more saturated. 1 second, y'all. Okay, and I'm back. I just did my hair a little favor, added a little bit of water to it. I don't know where my spray bottle is, so I gotta do with what I got. I went to the sink and add some water into my hair. So now I'm just gonna part it into 4 sections just to help me apply everything on better. Oh, this is like when I actually do my next big chops, because to deal with my hair at this length, I think this is the max I've ever grown my hair, because I'm always cutting it when it reaches this length, because then I don't really know what to do with it. So I'm trying to grow it out as much as I possibly can. That's a part of what I strive for this year, to actually not cut my hair, to actually let it grow past 3 years. Because normally once it reaches like below my collarbone area, I normally just cut it off and bring it back up to here. So okay, right now I'm gonna start working with this section, and then I'm gonna do the back section afterwards.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one.
Okay guys, so this is my hair after I finished washing out the Bentonite clay mask. My hair feels so much better. I'm just going to be detangling that out, adding some leave-in conditioner, and I am going to put my hair in another protective styling using 2 flat plait cornrows. And that is just to have my hair secured and neat and flat underneath my lace front wig.
I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. Tell me, what do you feel?
Okay guys, so this is my flat twist that I did, and it doesn't have to be special or neat. This is just so that I can have my hair tucked neatly under my wig, and also give me like a protective look for whenever I take it out. So that's how I'm doing my hair for maybe a week. I'm not sure just yet. But for today's actual styling, I'm just going to be putting on a wig, temporary glueless wig. If you guys want to see how I do that, then I do have videos linked in the eye, or I'll try to link them down below just so that it's a bit easier for you guys to see it. But I've already done a glueless wig tutorial video, so look out for that. So I'm just gonna apply my wig and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how my wig is looking. Again, it's not perfect, it's just for me to be able to just get ready and head out the road. So this is how it's looking. Again, it is glueless. It is not attached to my head, my scalp, my hair, nothing. So this is just how I do my quick ready to go style wig. So if you guys want to see that video, check again the link in the description box or the link in the eye. And yeah, this is how I do it. Now if you guys are interested, or if you guys are entertained or like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can like this video just so that I can know that you did like this video. And also, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video where I do my makeup. So if you're interested in seeing that video as well, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.